Hello, viewers. Greetings, welcome to my channel. Exercise changing sentence affirmative to negative. Affirmative, the sun rises in the east. Negative, doesn't the sun rises in the east. Affirmative, Nazrul, a poet and a philosopher. Negative, Nazrul was not only a poet but also a philosopher. Affirmative, he is stronger than you. Negative, you are not so strong as him. Affirmative, I am taller than you. Negative, you are not as tall as me. Affirmative, Robi and Rahat were as strong as Rakib. Negative, Robi and Rahat were not less strong than Rakib. Affirmative, he is as good as you. Negative, he is not less good than you. Affirmative, he is less ugly than you said. Negative, he is not as ugly as you said. Affirmative, you are less good than he said. Negative, you are not as good as he said. Affirmative, he is too weak to walk. Negative, he is so weak that he cannot walk. Affirmative, the sum was too difficult for me to work out. Negative, the sum was so difficult for me that I could not work out. Affirmative, a patriot loves his country. Negative, no patriot hates his country. Affirmative, everybody likes flowers. Negative, nobody dislikes flowers. Affirmative, man is mortal. Negative, no man is immortal, or, negative, there is no man who is immortal, or, negative, there is no man who is not mortal. Affirmative, everybody hates a liar. Negative, nobody loves a liar. Affirmative, every mother loves her child. Negative, there is no mother but loves her child. Or negative, no mother hates her child. Affirmative, I must keep my word. Negative, I cannot but keep my word. Affirmative, all men must die. Negative, none can avoid death. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe please.